So welcome all. We are team CodeofDuty1 and in this session we'll be taking you over our idea which we submitted for Smart India Hackathon. So our topic was mainly to classify or cluster villages, gram panchayats into different clusters such that they could contribute to a greater economic potential for our nation. So in order to do this, we found some interesting data sources from all this, mainly from data.gov.in. Then we designed a data scraper that would actually automate the task of downloading this data for us from these data sources. And then we arrange all the data into a file hierarchy as it's been shown here. Mainly there were two classes. One were spatial data and temporal. Spatial means location wise, that is specific geography wise, like state will be there within that state district, and within the district the gram panchayat. That is a spatial data, and temporal is a spatial over a couple of years from 2016 to 2021. And then this was one of the unique machine learning approaches we use for scoring the cluster. So basically we were creating a leaderboard of clusters across India. So we made a simple neural network that will take parameters as the input and then map it to a current ranking as published by SPMRM. And this algorithm naturally learned what were the weights assigned to each parameters, and once we have that parameter, we created our own list of ranking. And the scoring parameters which we used were mainly into two classes: basic needs and social welfare. As it can be listed here, we gave 80% weightage to basic need and 20% weightage to social welfare. Cluster wise ranking was done, but creating a cluster was with the help of another unsupervised machine learning algorithm known as constraint k-means, in which we defined sizes, minimum sizes of 5, maximum sizes of 6. So any villages that get clustered will be between the maximum and minimum sizes of 6 and 5 respectively. So we took the SPMRM report, we took the output from our app, which is a eRurban, we pass it to a comparator, and then we were able to find that we had an accuracy of about 0.85. Mainly we did two smart analysis for our project. One was time series prediction and cluster labeling. In the time series prediction, we plotted data till 2022 and tried to predict what will happen in 2040. This was with the help of a polynomial regression. Polynomial regression helped to extend a curve over a particular polynomial. We use quadratic equation to actually map the polynomial. So the basic equation being b0, b's and x. The values of b's was found out using the existing values from 2016 to 2020, 2021, and then using those we were able to predict the future. So basically this is an example of curve fitting. We use expectation maximization, which is an unsupervised algorithm in order to classify clusters into clusters. So basically these many number of clusters belong to cluster A, these many to B, and these C, D, etc. So based on that, based on score and growth, we were able to find 4 different clusters using the help of expectation maximization. And so some belong to class A, which were the supreme we would like to say, and D were a little bit poor clusters, and so we were able to cluster everything into all 4 clusters. So that's it. That was our idea approach, and my experience in Smart India Hackathon was a really vibrant one. So never expected hackathon could be this beautiful. Even the organizing committees, the institution was also supporting us from very, even the government also. This is a great opportunity for young minds to showcase their talents and help country in whatever little way they can. So I'm truly grateful that I got this opportunity to be in the Smart India Hackathon. Thank you.